Welcome to my channel. Meron tayong dalawang numbers, 9 and 12. This time, kukunin natin ang mga factors and multiples. Let's start sa 9. Ibig sabihin ng factors, ano yung mga number na kung ipag-multiply natin, ang sagot ay 9. So, very simple, no? Like 3 times 3, 9 times 1, wala na. Yan yung mga factors. 3, 9, 1. So meaning, the factors of 9 are, let's start with the smallest factor. 1, then 3, and 9. Okay, ito yung mga factors ng 9. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa multiples. Ang ibig sabihin ng multiples ay yung skip counting lang. Like for example, ang multiples ng 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, so on and so forth. Napapansin naman natin, no? Yung difference nila between 18 and 9, diba? 18 and 9, di syempre 9. Then 27 and 18, the difference is 9. Then 36 and 27, and difference is 9. Then 45 and 36, difference is 9. So just simply add 9 to each number. O yun yung mga multiples. May I repeat? Ang multiples ng 9 ay 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So, ikaw na ang bahala doon. Basta mag plus 9 ka lang. Yun lang gawin. Okay, let's start with 12. The factors of 12 are 12 times 1, or 12 and 1, 3 and 4, or 3 times 4, 6 times 2, or 3 and 6 and 2. No more. No more factors. So meaning, let's start with the smallest number up to the largest factor of 12. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then 6, then 12. These are the factors of 12. Now, how about multiples? Just simply put 12, then plus 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So we see the difference. Nakita natin yung difference natin, no? 36 and 24, 12. Ito namang 48 and 36, 12. And then 60, 48, 12. In short, ang multiples ng 12 ay 24, 36, 48, 60. Ganun lang kasimple. Sana naintindihan niyo yung explanation ko. And please, pag nag-comment kayo, lagyan niyo ng lugar kung saan niyo ito napanood para malaman ko naman kung saang lugar nakarating ang video ito. Maraming salamat!